Vehicle compatibility. Headlights assembly compatible with 1994 to 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 1994-2002 Dodge Ram 2500, 3500. High beam, low beam bulb type. 9004. Bulbs are not included. Waterproof. Fully sealed with solid silicone designed with one-way vents to prevent moisture from being trapped inside the housing. No corrosion or moisture worries in sorts of weather conditions. Brighter lighting. The metallic parabolic reflectors provide more light output to create a broader and smoother beam. The angle of beam adjuster can be adjusted about plus or minus 3 degrees. Safety reflector. The sided micro-prism reflector makes the oncoming cars or passerby quickly notice you at night, ensuring your driving safety and others. Impact resistance. The polycarbonate lens tough housing are highly resistant to shock, vibration for any tough road. Professional installation would be highly recommended. Top reviews from the United States. Great lights. These are a one-piece design, look great, and you can see a lot better with the clear lenses. Mine didn't come with daytime running lights, but installed these and wired up the daytime running lights and they work great too.